Alright. Cheers! Wow naman ah! Nando Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Wear in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Takonat Takoyaki Station for sending us their products. So ngayong araw na to guys, we're gonna be doing a mukbang for takoyaki. Tara, samahan niyo ako! Alright, so Takonat Takoyaki Station sent us 3 pans for their takoyaki. According to our orientation, 5 po yung mga flavors na pinadala nila. What we're going to do today, we're gonna taste them one by one. At the end of the video, doon natin i-reveal kung ano yung mga flavors nila. So, let's do this! Wow! So yung first bowl natin, parang plain siya na feeling. This is interesting, parang alam ko na kung ano yung flavor nito dun sa binigay nilang list sa atin. This is second pan. Wow! Parang siyang may smoky aftertaste. So I believe this pan has 2 flavors in it. So tingnan natin yung kabila. Whoa, there you go. Alright, so the last one, may pagka-seafood yung dating sa akin ng flavor na yun. Let's jump to the next pan. Tikman naman natin to. Whoa, look at that. Now this time, very evident yung meat dun sa feeling natin. A little bit crunchy. Somewhat meron siyang smoky seafood na dating. Okay, let's taste this other half niya, which is another flavor. Alright, so first off, before natin i-reveal kung ano yung mga flavors na pinadala nila, I would like to comment yung butter na ginamit nila dito. It's not starchy. Yun yung pinaka-base ng takoyaki natin. It has to really satisfy me. And then next is yung takoyaki sauce. All across yung mga pans natin has the same flavor for the takoyaki sauce. Very authentic and very Japanese talaga yung dating ng sauce nila sa akin. And then lastly, yung flavor or yung feeling, probably it's reveal kung ano yung mga pinadala nila, no? Okay, so this one is the cheese flavor. Yung palaman natin, all throughout the experience, is very creamy. And then in the middle, this is their so the other half pala is bacon, and the other half naman is crab and corn. Kaya pala may pagka-seafood yung dating sa akin ng flavor natin with this one. And then lastly, for this pan, meron tayong baby octo at saka octo bits, which I really enjoyed yung octo bits nila. Para sa akin, it is a little bit crunchy, hindi siya malansa. All in all, I really love this octo bits. It is actually a must try and I really recommend it. Wow naman ah! Alright, so once again, thank you so much Takonat Takoyaki for sending us your products. Guys, if you're interested to taste this one, available po sila via Foodpanda and Papa.ph. If you're interested to call them naman, we're gonna be leaving the numbers here. Ayan, for the fan page that you can contact and message po. Let me also mention that they are open for franchising. Kapag nag-franchise po kayo sa kanila, no royalty fee needed and the entire recipe will be given to you kung sino man po yung interested na mag-franchise sa kanila. So guys, thank you so much again for being with me. I'm gonna enjoy the mukbang with my family and hopefully ma-enjoy nyo rin and ma-experience nyo rin ang Takonat Takoyaki Station at the comfort of your home. Thank you so much for watching Wear in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there and stay safe. God bless guys. Bye!